fun little container. It is perfect to put s'mores inside of. We use a scoreboard to create this little paper design, and there is a printable that you can print out. We've got it linked up at craftsdirect.com. If you go to the projects tab, you can find it. And I want to show you how to make this fun little project.
To start out, we are going to cut a 7 3/4 inch square out of the polka dotted paper. Then we're going to move it over to our scoreboard and we are going to score down the 2-inch line. We'll rotate it 90 degrees, score again along the 2-inch line, and do this on all 4 sides. Then we are going to take our scissors and cut out the squares in each corner. Next, we're going to take our shape and fold in along the score lines, then we'll set that aside for later. Then we're going to grab our navy blue striped paper, punch out a 3.5 inch circle, then we'll grab our We Need S'more Nurses Like You and punch one of those out with a 3-inch circle punch. Then we'll go back to that navy blue striped paper and cut 2 pieces that are 3/4 inch wide by 12 inches. Now that we've got all of our papers cut, we are going to assemble the box. So we are going to adhere the printable saying onto the 3.5 inch round with a glue runner, then use that same glue runner to adhere it to the top of the box in the center. Then you'll grab your 3/4 inch by 12 inch piece of blue striped paper and adhere it to the side of the box. So we're doing it about a 1/2 inch up from the bottom of the edge. And then we're just going to go around on each side, make sure they're lined up, and adhere it so each side has a strip of blue paper. Then we're going to take our cute little plastic container, put the top inside of the plastic container. It's a little bit tricky, you kind of have to push it down, get it in there nice and evenly. And then we get to the fun part of filling our container with s'more supplies. So fill it with a s'mores treat and then give it to your favorite nurse.
You can find all the supplies to make this project at craftsdirect.com and go to the projects tab.